চাই, আমার দিদির বিচার চাই।
We're looking at the CBI now questioning Sandeep Ghosh, the principal who, in fact, the court had asked to go on leave. The CBI has summoned him. Ex-Arjikar Hospital principal has been called by the CBI itself. He's being grilled even as I speak. In fact, he was the man who was responsible of security and structure, discipline within the hospital and college premises of Arjikar. And we saw he had resigned, and immediately the West Bengal government decided to actually placate him by appointing him at another college. And while that happened, the Kolkata High Court took huge objection to it, saying this was done in bad taste. He was asked to go on immediate leave. And then you have now the CBI summoning the same principal for questioning. Sneha Murdani, who's bringing us all the live updates from the ground. Over to you, Sneha.
All right, thank you so much for that, Nabila. Before we slip into a short break, I just want to quickly get our viewers to look at these pictures that have been coming in right now. Justice delayed, justice denied. Stop violence is what they're saying. We want justice. Justice is our right. These are pictures from the protest site. Many of these junior doctors were the batchmates of the girl of the junior doctor who was brutally gang raped and murdered. Kolkata and the outrage here, not just here, but all over the country, continues to be a big focus story right here. I'm going to go straight across to Surya Agni Roy for more details as far as the probe is concerned. Sandeep Ghosh, Surya Agni, was questioned by the CBI today. That man and his conduct is questionable. Several questions are unanswered about why he did what he did. The college administration, to begin with, did not even file an FIR in this case. Tell us more about the questioning that took place today. Surya Agni.
Well, Sneha, the questioning is happening, and it's happening in a very dramatic manner. Like the way Sandeep Ghosh, we saw how he, how the CBI, took him from midway. That is something that we saw today. Now, Sandeep Ghosh he was the principal of Arjikar, and when he had resigned, the state government had appointed him as the principal of another college. Students of both these colleges were extremely furious with this issue. They claimed that they found, as per the students of Arjikar, they felt that this man was very tainted, and how can he be appointed as the principal of another college when an investigation is happening? Amidst all of this, there were multiple, a lot of hullabaloo over the fact that this person, the former principal of Arjikar, was not interrogated by the Kolkata police. When the case went to the CBI, today he was summoned. His lawyer had reached out to the High Court because his family had felt that there was a lot of life risk, life threat to this particular person, because there was a lot of, hate movement that was going on against him. This is as per the family and the lawyer. Now, what they wanted was that, he be given a protection till his passage to the CBI office. What we saw was that the High Court had observed that that he was very influential, and he would get some kind of protection, to reach the CBI office. And if not, then the CBI can visit him at his home, at his residence, and interrogate. However, he is being interrogated right now at the CBI headquarters in Kolkata in relation to this particular case, and it has to be seen what follows on, because he was the principal. He's technically the head of the medical college,
That's right. His
and all
statement is going
students
to be
technically
extremely
are
crucial.
under him.
What he tells the CBI is going to be extremely crucial because he's the man at the center of all of this, the principal, the head of the institution. Sandeep Ghosh has been questioned. Will he be arrested? Will he get protection? And what is it that he is going to reveal further? Many questions that he has to answer.